Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for Multicasting Commissions. Now this is a little bit different to what I normally promote, because I normally promote software, so I'll give you a good review, show you exactly what's inside. But with this one, it's a live training offer. It's from my good friends Neil and Chris. Now, the 3-day training will be starting on the 20th of March. Now the great thing about this offer is $27 for the front end. So for $27, you get live training from 2 top marketers. So it's very, very hard to give you, obviously, a review of live training because it's not happened yet. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over my bonuses. I'm going to show you inside some of my bonuses. Then I'm going to go over the sales page. So first, let me show you my bonuses, because I've added some bonuses on here since we actually did the pre-sale video. Okay, and I've changed some bonuses as well, so please pay attention. Now the first one is Multicasting Pro, Deal Finder and Broadcaster. Now this is an app that fits perfectly with this offer. No one else can give you this. This is created by my team. Now I'll show you inside this as well, but you've got platform selector. So you enter your niche, location, and instantly see the best platforms to broadcast your deals on. Deal script generator, generate ready-to-use outreach scripts tailored for multiple platforms. Profit margin calculator, instantly calculate deal profits and monthly income projections. And provider vetting checklist, create custom checklists to help you choose reliable service providers. So it's 4 tools in one. So you get an app which has 4 tools built in. And as I said, I'll show you inside in a moment. Now, the great thing about this, it comes with a white label. So you get a full white label to that brand new app. So you can resell access to that. Now you get full white, I can't get my words out today, full white label rights. You can rebrand the software, sell it under your own brand. You get a done for you sales page. Now, with the sales page, we will rebrand it to whatever you want to call your new app. You get all the marketing materials. You get a custom logo creation. You get the app set up for you, so you can use our hosting or you can use your own hosting. We'll set the app up and hand you it back fully rebranded. Plus, we'll do the payment integration, get all ready for you, ready to take payments. Okay, normally don't do that on a $27 front end, but for this one, it's a short launch, and we decided we're going to give you full white label, full rebranding, and full setup by our team. So don't miss this, because once this has closed, it will be going away. So make sure that you lock that in. $27 for a full white label app, full rebranding, full setup, and hosting included. Now, you'll not get a better deal than that, believe me. Okay, so it tells you everything down here what you get. Then we've got the multicasting niche cheat sheet. Now this was just a normal bonus, but what we've done is we've included PLR. So with that cheat sheet, you can resell it, you can give it away as a lead generation, something like that. Same with multicasting conversation starter kit. Now normally this was just a bonus. What I've done is we've added PLR on there. So what you can do, you can resell, you can give away to build your list, etc. And we've got the platform broadcast playbook. Now again, this was just a bonus. What I've done is I've added full PLR to this. Okay, so you can resell it, you can give it away, you can do whatever you want with that. Okay, so those are brand new PLR add-ons. Then we've got the ad create engine. Okay, so normal price $297, that's yours included. We've got campaign composer AI PLR. Just get full PLR to that, and that's an app as well. So you get a sales page, delivery page, marketing, and you get the app so you can resell it as your own. We've got Omniposter PLR. So again, it's an app with full rebrand rights, resellers, etc. You get Presenter AI. Now this, it creates AI generated presentations. And again, value on that $297. Scalar AI, so build and manage your entire AI agency with this. Then we've got Social Pulse PLR. So again, you can rebrand that, resell it, kind of do whatever you want with that. Then we've got the AI app platform. This includes 24 AI apps that you can resell as your own. So we've got 30 apps in total, AI apps, plus we've got the white label, brand new one, the Multicaster. Now this is a huge bonus, and everything I've just shown you there comes on the front end. So you get everything I've shown you there for the $27 front end payment. No bundle needed, no upgrades or anything like that. Purchase the front end and you get everything I've just shown you, including the white label, rebrand, hosting, payment integration, everything else. So I don't think you can find a better bonus than that. So let's jump inside the Multicaster platform now, then we'll go and look at the sales page. Okay guys, so here we are inside the Multicaster offer. Now this platform has 4 tools built in. We will rebrand this, so you don't have to call it this, you call it whatever you want. We'll do your custom logo, we'll install it, we'll rebrand the sales page, we'll set up payment integration, we'll do everything you need, and then you can sell this as your own. So there's 4 tools built in as the platform selector. So just to launch the tool, just click there, and then you can launch that then, or you can go to the top. We've got the script generator as well. We've got the margin calculator, so it'll calculate margins on deals, and then we've got the Vetter checklist as well. Full AI platform, you get that as a bonus. There is full rebranding, full resell rights. You get white label of the app, you get white label of the sales page. We'll do everything for you, and we'll set up the payment integration as well. And all that's for the $27 front end. Okay, so a huge offer. Don't miss this. Okay, so here we are on the sales page. So it's a 3-day live masterclass. Again, that's why I can't review this, because it hasn't happened yet. So it's going live on the 20th of March. So lock it in now. You get your seat for the 20th of March. It's a 3-day live training. It's with Chris and Neil, 2 good friends of mine. Now it's all about multicasting. Now what is multicasting? Now multicasting helps you get to multiple platforms. So most people just concentrate on one. I'm kind of guilty of that on myself. I do a couple platforms, and I really should, bring more platforms into the mix. If one happens, if it's your main platform, you may get restricted, you may get banned for whatever reason, and then you lose your income, you lose your platform to be able to sell on. Now what this teaches you, it teaches you to kind of multicast, so get across multiple platforms. But what it does, it helps you kind of find the deals and put yourself in the deals to be able to kind of, make the money. So really good training. They've got some great results. Students are making some really, really good money with this. And, come to the sales page, watch the videos, take a look at the real testimonials. You can see down there. Now, there's lots and lots of testimonials on here as well. So have a good look at this sales page. Remember, it's only $27. So if there's a system out there that real people are using and making money, coupled with my bonus for $27, why wouldn't you lock it in? So as I said, lots and lots of testimonials there. Let me get down to what else you get with this. So you get the 24-hour replay access. So you miss a session, you can watch that again, not a problem. So you get the private Facebook community. So instant access to experts and peers. So that's people who are already doing this, already making money. You get access to those. Cliff note summaries. So, if you're kind of not following along, you go into the Cliff Notes, pick up what you've missed. Ask me anything session. So live Q&A. So you get stuck, ask. You can ask the experts in there. Ask Neil. Ask Chris. And you also get a partner seat included. So if you've got a partner, a VA you're working with, bring them along and they can learn as well. Okay, so come to the sales page, take a look at those real testimonials. But this, coupled with my bonus, just can't be beat. $27, lock it in. That masterclass starts on the 20th of March. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.